Hey, what's going on? Aaron here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Affiliate Institute's AI systems, and maybe you're wondering, is this really a good way for you to make money online? What is this all about? Is it legit? All right, maybe you've seen a page like this, okay? And we're gonna go through it all the way through. Maybe it's a waste of time. Let's check it out, okay? At any time, if you want to get my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, you can just click the link right below. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different opportunities, systems, ways to make money online. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, okay? Some of them are really good. A lot of them, though, are just big waste of time. So let's check out Affiliate Institute's AI systems to find out how good this program really is, okay? So what is this all about, all right? Now, this product is basically created by a gentleman called Cameron George. Cameron George is a very successful internet marketer. I actually met him 15 years ago, and he went off and he became a multimillionaire. He lives in the Cayman Islands. He's got a house in Big White, and he has consulted for a lot of very large companies all around the world, and this is one of his latest projects, okay? So what is this, all right? So Affiliate Institute is basically an educational platform, but their main program, their main product is basically an AI systems CRM software that basically will help to manage the systems and technological flow for anybody that's selling any product online. So it doesn't matter what niche you're in, what product you're marketing. Basically, they've got a whole host of tools that will help you to do a better job in selling that product. Okay, so this works with basically anything that you want to sell online, and it's a really good program. All right, so if you've landed on this page, it kind of looks like this. This is very simple. They're right now, they're just getting started. Okay, so they're in pre-launch. This will change over time. I will probably do an updated video, but I just want to show you, just in case you're checking them out, that this thing is really legit. Okay, I review a lot of stuff, guys. All right, I've literally reviewed hundreds and hundreds of programs, softwares, business models by now. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, and this one, we'll go through it, and I'll let you know what I think about it, but you can make your own decision on that. Okay, so this is the page right here. All right, if you want to secure your spot, you can click inside. Right now it's in pre-launch, so it's not expensive. Okay, it's only $49 per month. Okay, and then it's $39 a year to become an affiliate, to resell it, so it's $88. There are higher levels as well. There's a $200 level. There's also a $500 per month level, but to get started, it's only $88 if you want to get started at the pre-launch level. This might change slightly after pre-launch, but if you're watching this video right now, this is what you can join at. Okay, now when you log in, this is basically what the back office looks like. Okay, so you can start here, and Cameron is going to give you a nice little introduction over here. Okay, how it works, the step by step. So it's very detailed. Okay, and the cool thing about this is that well, let me show you the product first, and then I'll show you the compensation plan. Okay, so I'm just going to jump into my folder right here. I'm just going to play this. Hopefully you can see this properly. All right, here's what it is. Okay, so this is a CRM AI systems software. Right? Again, like I mentioned, you can use this to manage any business, sell any product online. It just makes your selling ability better. So it's not going to interfere with whatever you're selling right now. It's going to support that. Okay, so things like live chat, Meta Messenger, text messenger, social engine, central inbox interface where you can manage all of your social channels, scheduling engine, CRM engine, email verification service, so you know that when you're getting the leads, they're real. Okay, you don't want a bunch of like fake emails coming into your autoresponder, right? SML email templates, visual sales pipeline manager to make sure that everything you can see visually, right? Task engine, surveys, smart links, funnel design, pre-built funnel templates, automation engine, AI content engine, core affiliate campaigns. So if you don't have anything to sell, they've also got a bunch of campaigns and offers that you can use and just pick them and sell them. Okay, really cool, right? So if you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, it works for you anyway. 24/7 live chat support, complete platform knowledge base, fast start training, live trainings from top affiliates. That's at the light level. Okay, at the pro level, there are other things like AI ads engine, a reporting engine, a swipe file, a design masterclass, okay, YouTube traffic, Facebook traffic training, AI campaigns, campaign specific training, AI copy coach, AI sales agents. You get the idea, right? So it's a very comprehensive software CRM that will allow you to manage your business better allow you to get better results. It's all combined into one area. It takes a lot of the different tools out there that you have to kind of, sort of duct tape together, and it makes it into one cohesive tool, which is really, really cool. All right. So it supports every type of business. It helps you sell better. It teaches you how to do it as well. It even has products that you can sell, which I think is really, really cool. Right. Now, on top of that, they have got a very, very good compensation plan. Okay, so this is basically a matrix level type of compensation plan. So if you bring people into, if you sell the product to someone, you will get a commission on that. You get a 25% commission. Okay, but they also have a matrix MLM type structure where you can earn money from other people as well. Now, I have been in 6 or 7 different multi-level marketing companies, and I have never seen a product, a compensation matrix this powerful. I want to show you something, okay? So if I log into my network right here, and I've only been playing around with this for the last 4 days. Really, literally, at the time of recording this video, I've only had this product in my hand for 4 days, all right? Not a long time at all, right? Now, I have, recommended this product to a few people, and I've made commissions from that because I'm an affiliate marketer, right? I make 25% on every sale that I make. But the thing that I'm really excited about is their matrix section. So if I come to my matrix right here, my matrix tree, I want to just show you this right here, right? If I go inside, that's me right there, right? Now, I want to show you my matrix right here. Now, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I've got 20 people connected to me on my matrix side, and I didn't even bring any of these people in. I want you to think about that for a second, okay? That means I did not sell this product, AI systems, through Affiliate Institute to these people. These people just got linked to me because the compensation plan is so powerful that what it does is it rotates every 3rd to 5th person within the company into your matrix, and you make a small percentage of what they make, okay? Or you get paid a commission. It's between $2 and $4. It's not a lot of money, but if you think about this long term, this will continue to build, and your organization will get bigger and bigger and bigger over a period of time. So what they're trying to do is they're trying to make as many people successful as humanly possible inside of the business. Okay, now that doesn't mean that you can't do anything at all. You're not meant to just get in and just sit back and relax. That's not the point. The point is to use their product, which is basically their AI systems, which I showed you earlier, right? So make sure you use the program, okay? Use the product. That's very, very important. But at the same time, they want to make sure that if you're going to be using the product, they want to reward you as well for also recommending the product to other people, okay? And how you can do that is you can make direct commissions, right? By recommending the product. It's affiliate marketing, okay? You make direct commissions from people, but they also have a matrix structure, network marketing style, where they're also going to be putting people into your organization, and you can make a tiny piece of that so that the entire organization gets balanced out. I've never seen anything like that. It's really, really cool, okay? So if you're interested, first of all, in a good CRM software product that will help you to basically sell any business out there, right? Any product, any service, right? So the product is very good, straight up, all right? But at the same time, if you're interested in making a little bit of money extra by recommending this to friends and family and people online and things like that, then you can do that through their very, very powerful compensation model, okay? Again, this is not, a miracle silver bullet. You still should do the work, but what I'm saying is that they figured out a few things, and Cameron obviously is a very smart guy, and he wants to make sure that everyone in the company can win. All right, so if you're going to be promoting his program, he wants to make sure that you get rewarded for it as well. And I mean, this matrix side right here, I don't know any. I know a couple of them right here. I know some. I recognize some of these names, right? But a lot of them, I didn't bring them in. I didn't recommend the product to them. They just kind of showed up in my matrix, right? So, which is really cool. And I'm making like $2, $3, $4 every single month from these people. And that adds up, okay? It might not sound like a lot of money, but remember, I've been only doing this for 4 days, right? So over a period of time, over months and weeks, this is gonna grow and grow and grow and grow. And it's really exciting, okay? So, I will give Affiliate Institute a thumbs up. AI Systems, they've got a great product right here. I think that this type of product right here will help anybody, basically. Who doesn't need Facebook training, YouTube training? Who doesn't need a chat system? Who doesn't need a visual sales line pipeline manager? Who doesn't need a survey engine? Who doesn't need a funnel design engine? I mean, if you want to market something online, you need all of these products anyway, right? And why go to other companies and try and duct tape all the different tools together and pay for them instead of just using one cohesive tool that can do everything for you, first of all. And then if you recommend it to other people, you can make money from it as well. I think it's a pretty kick-ass product, all right? So if you want to check it out, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave my AI Systems link right below this, right? If you want to give me some credit for giving you this review, you can just go ahead and join up through there if you want. Completely up to you, right? No pressure. And I hope you enjoyed this review. I think it's a great program, all right? Also, if you want to learn from me and get some additional training, I'm going to leave a second link right there. And I'm going to show you a little bit more about how I made almost $2 million in affiliate marketing, and I've got a free training that you can check out too if you would like. I hope you enjoyed this review today of Affiliate Institute and AI Systems, and I wish you all the best. Speak to you soon.